Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing a polar bear holding a little heart. The first step we're going to do is draw the polar bear's ears, and they're just a big curve at the top here. Now we're going to go across with a bump, and then from that bump we're going to make another ear, kind of like our first one. Now let's take one side and create this big kind of curve like this. Same thing on the other side. Create that curve. Looks good. Now we're going to create the arm. The arm goes around like this. The other arm, kind of the same thing. Go around like this and then stop about there. Now let's finish off his little arm or her by drawing a curve. Same thing on the other side. Draw a big curve around. Looks good. Let's finish off the body. Start kind of where this line would be, but on across the arm, and then make a big curve that goes in. Same thing on the other side. Make a big curve that goes in. Now from that point we're going to go out, and then same thing on the other side. Go out, and then we're going to go across just like this. Other side, same thing, go across. Now continue this line up, and then continue this line up as well. Now we're going to close up the bottom with the curve that goes across. Let's start drawing that heart. I'm going to start from the top here and make a big curve that goes so far that it touches the arm. Same thing on the other side. Make a big curve and that it touches the arm again. Now pretend this line were to go past the hand, and then we're going to stop when it kind of gets in the middle of this point. Same thing on the other side. Pretend it goes across the hand and then go down, down, down until you can make both sides fit together into a heart. Very nice. Now let's create the face here. We're going to draw a curve for the top of the nose, and then let's create a line that goes down. Same thing on the other side, a line that goes down. Now let's create the eye. For my eye, I'm just going to make kind of this U shape or rainbow shape on one side. Same thing on the other. You're welcome to draw it with little eyelashes, make it a girl, it's up to you. So let's start coloring it in. Here's our cute polar bear friend. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!